Hi, I am Devi Abhirami, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to take a lecture video on correlation. Correlation is nothing but the relationship between two variables, set x and y. There are three types of correlation, that is positive correlation. If our answer is positive, then the correlation is said to be a positive correlation. Second type is negative correlation. If the correlation lies in negative part, then it will complete it as negative correlation. Then no correlation. If there is no relationship between two variables, then we can say that there is no correlation between two variables. Okay. To find this correlation, there is a formula for this, and the formula is R. R is denoted as correlation. Correlation symbol is R, and my formula is N summation xy minus summation x summation y whole divided by square root of n summation x square minus summation x the whole square into n summation y square minus summation y the whole square. Okay, here x and y denotes the variable of the problem. We are going to solve one problem by using this correlation formula. Okay, and my problem is find the correlation between study hours per week x and the exam scores y. There is a two variables, that is exam study hours and exam scores, and the data are given below. Data are n is equal to 6. Summation x is equal to 90. N is nothing but the sample space, and summation x is the arithmetic mean of x is 90 and the mean of y is 420. Summation x square. If we square the x variables and altogether if we sum it, then we will get the value of 1450. Similarly, the y variable squared and the sum of the squared y variable is 30,400. Summation xy. The product of two variables is 6,400. These are the given data. They asked to find the value of correlation. That is to find this correlation. That is, we have to find the relationship between these two x and y values. So my formula is R is equal to n summation xy. They have given the values. I am going to substitute the value. N value is 6. So 6 into summation xy. Summation xy is nothing but the product of two variables. So product of two variables is 6,400 minus summation x into summation y, which means the product of x variable and the sum of y variable. So 90 into 420. 90 into 420 whole divided by, first one is square root. So square root of n value is 6. Summation x square. Summation x square is 1450. So 1450 minus summation x the whole square, which means the sum of x value should be squared later. So 90 square into n summation y square. 6 into summation y square value is 30,400 minus summation y the whole square. Summation y value is 420. So 420 square. Now we are going to simplify this problem. So first there is a multiplication of 6 into 6,400. So 6 into 6,400 is 38,400 minus 90 into 420, which means 37,000 into 800. I have solved the numerator by producting first two elements and the second two elements. Finally, we have to subtract these two values. And my denominator is square root of 6 into 1450. That is 8,700 minus 90 square. 90 square is nothing but 81,100 into 6 into 30,400. We will get 182,400 minus, and finally 420 square. 420 square value is 176,400. Okay, now we are going to simplify these values. So by subtracting the numerator, we will get 38400 minus 37800. So 600 divided by square root of. First we have to subtract these two elements, then the answer should be taken in the square root value. So 8700 should be subtracted by 8100, we will get 600. So root of 600 into root of 182400 minus 176400, and our value is 6000. Now we are going to take the root value. So root of 600 value is 24.49. It is enough to take two decimal places, and for similarly square root of 6000 is 77.45. Okay, now we are going to product these two values. So 24.49 into 77.45, which means 600 divided by 1896.75. So 600 divided by 1896.75. So our value is equal to 0.31633. So finally we get the value as 0.31633. This is the correlation for the given problem, for the given x value and the y value. Here our answer is positive, therefore it is considered to as a positive correlation. This is how we have to calculate the correlation for the given set of data. Thank you.